got backlash because he wore a Kappa jacket, right? Was it?
Kappa sweater.
Kappa sweater, and they were highly upset about that. He said he didn't think it was anything wrong with it. Then a few days later, a guy went on live and showed him how to shimmy.
Bro, just show me how to shimmy, man. Nigga could have got Kappa fresh real quick. Man, bro. Hey, bro, this nigga here. Man, show me how to do it, bro. Bro. All right, but you understand what I'm saying, bro? Cause that's all right, I can't throw the sign, bro. All right, bro. Can't throw the sign. See, you ain't gotta do. What's the sign? Like, it's called a shimmy, bro. And it's all I say, what's the sign I can't throw? You can't throw this. You can't throw the diamond, bro. You can't throw the yo. You just can't throw it. You don't need to do that. All right.
So do y'all really have backlash?
I don't like that you're saying it like that. Why are you saying
it? It's a fucking joke.
I'm saying like they did really show him how to shimmy. You didn't see that video?
I just feel like, you know, like if you're gonna be out here wearing our shit, let me at least show you. You feel me? You already wore it without any real knowledge. The first thing people was talking about, they shimmy to the shit. Like, that's all y'all think about, that he did, that they dance to his music?
Take Boosie shit out, how many songs niggas really moving to?
People going to mad shit.
Yeah, that's a fact.
That's a fact. I mean, take Boosie shit out. Boosie shit main, bro. You hear that white you hear
that's kind of the Kappa song.
It is.
I feel like it was a great moment to fuse the whole Greek culture with rap. Like, I think it was a beautiful thing that Boosie was here. I think he's gonna re-enter the top Billboard charts or whatever with that song. Mm-hmm. That's a good thing. Mm-hmm. I feel like it was kind of petty for them to, bash him like that. Like, yo, take our shit off, because at the end of the day, you did say that they're actually strolling to his music and shit like that. So it's like he paying homage to y'all pay homage to him. Like, don't.
No, I'm so sorry to cut you off. They're not paying homage to him. They're not paying homage to Boosie in the song.
But I'm saying that they should. There should be an exchange of respect there.
That I could get.
So I just feel like they're not giving him a pass because they would have to give all artists a pass to all the songs that they dance to. But not saying that this is right or wrong, but I'm just saying like.
They never said they was gonna stop strolling to the song.
Yeah, I'm sure they're not. But
They won't.
And this is really good. I ain't gonna lie, because now Boosie has that Boosie Bash shit. He said that he's gonna give back. He said he's going to pay for whoever has the best shimmy or whatever the case may be. Okay. That's lit. Right. Like, he's gonna have different teams perform at that shit. That's lit
and stuff.
But I just don't like the initial fallout from that shit, because I was like, yo, bro, that's whack. That's corny. Like, it's Boosie. You acting like Boosie got any malicious intent in doing what he doing? Boosie literally is.
He needs his own show.
What's wrong with wearing
Bro, literally, we're not about to get into.
It's like you wearing a blood flag and you not blood.
Not blood, bro.
When I said that in the chat, niggas ripped me, but
I agreed with you. I said the same thing as you.
All right.
Let's go back.
Okay.
I see people where I'm from, people wear bandanas all the time.
Where you from? They probably know.
Yeah, but they probably get pressed. Like, yo, what set you claim? Like,
yeah, sure.
It's stuff that comes with that.
I'm not walking around with no freaking Kappa Alpha size shit on my show.
Yeah, people gonna be like, yo,
what school?
You remember what school? What's your chapter? Or like, cause I'm a little crazy saying,
I don't know. It's just for a designer.
Cause like at that point, I'm a regular dude. They could come at me all types of crazy.
Yeah, I feel like with.
Bro, it's a whole.
It's the whole business, the corporation. It's a lot.
Yeah,
it's like a gang, but they do a lot for it.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, do not compare sororities and fraternities to gangs, bro. That's the one thing niggas don't like hearing.
No, let's compare it.
Why not?
Oh, so we want that type of beef on this show.
No, I'm saying like
I don't care. I'm see it. You gotta call it how you see it, bro.
It's a very thin line from the difference. It's a very thin line. Gangs,
like it's like a corporate gang, like
just like the police is a gang.
Well, that's
All right, that's another conversation.
Yo, bro, why
I
is
feel like
everybody
gangs
stretching
are
today?
like-
Stretching today, like.
I feel like gangs
What's
are more
up with
affiliated
y'all?
with organized crime. Fraternities and sororities do not do any. Like,
They don't organize
They're
events.
good gangs. If we're gonna call them gangs, like they're good gangs.
And then you gotta get jumped to be a Crip or a Blood.
First of all,
Niggas is going through shit to be in a
That's funny.
sorority
You got a
or
lot
fraternity.
to
Like
do.
it's the same thing. It is literally the same thing. It's just that they stand for different things.
Yeah. Definitely. I feel like
I think ain't nothing wrong with what Boosie did. Boosie when Boosie
they
came
can't
out.
just let him get a pass because then everybody's gonna have to get a pass.
Bro, but
So
not
he gotta
everybody doing
expect backlash. I'm just saying.
Yes, they do. Diddy one time do the fucking pinky up, talking about where my AKA's at. Like
Oh,
celebrity,
shit.
there's a clear disconnect between Black history and Black culture. Like for if a non-blood wore the blood flag, rappers would press him, or somebody would have something to say. When Forever 21 was trying to make bandanas cool and pop culture, like people were boycotting that shit. So for it to be cool because they dance to his music, I feel like that clearly shows that Boosie doesn't understand the relevance or why wearing those letters are so important. Like,
Right.
yeah, people haze for it. Hazing, first of all, in my opinion, is not the same as getting jumped into a gang. Like, that process
It's
is meant
longer.
to build character. That's meant to
Break you
build
down and build you
discipline,
right
break
back
you
up.
down so that the letters literally build you up. Getting jumped into a gang, like, nothing's promised.
Just showing your bruises, showing your scars.
Look,
I
I
don't
feel
know.
as
I
if-
feel like, again, like Trophy said, I agree that this is the perfect opportunity to show Black people, like, there's a whole nother side of things. Him wearing that definitely probably broke a wall, but I just feel like the initial reaction, like, yeah, I'd be tight too. If I was Greek and I saw a non-Greek doing some shit like that, I'd be tight. Especially if I'm getting my ass beat, starving, doing all that shit.
To do it.
I mean,
And dude,
Is
like,
it Black history or is
Okay,
it
so what
Greek
you're saying is
culture?
he should-
I feel.
Greek culture is Black history.
Baby girl. No, it's not.
Greek culture is not Black history.
No, it is not. They're tied together, but they're not the same exact thing. I'm not going to go to sit in class and learn about freaking Black history, and the first thing that's going to come up is the creation of the Divine Nine. That is not even going to probably come up in Black history.
Why not? The Divine Nine was pivotal to civil rights, all that stuff. So
Okay,
why would that
but
not
here's
come
the
up?
thing, though. Here's the thing, though.
He's just
When-
saying it's not equal.
Yeah.
I never said it was, but they're in a category with each other.
Okay.
You pledged or something?
Like I said, I went to HBCU.
Okay, got it.
So
I'm happy.
I understand the
But see,
prevalence
once
of
again,
it.
ooh, boom, that's even better. You went to an HBCU, so you have like literally
See it
from
firsthand.
year one. That's the shit that you not even living and breathing, but that's the shit that you're experiencing. Me, I went to a predominantly white school with Divine Nine. We only had like 3 of them shits on there, so I understand how serious it is. But you're not about to sit here and say, oh, there's a disconnect between Black culture and Black history. The reason Black culture is today is because of Black history. Has nothing to do with Greek culture. You want to know why it has nothing to do with Greek culture? Because as y'all just said, it's a gang. It's an elitist gang. Not everybody belongs in there. Everybody gets to be part of that. So I feel like that's real incorrect for you to like just describe it like that. You got to really understand with everything that you said today. I cannot disagree with. Besides that, that's the only thing I
I'm
disagree
sorry,
with.
just to be clear. So what don't you agree with?
There's them it being a disconnect between Black culture and Black history. It should be Greek culture and Black culture. It's 2 different cultures. My culture is not Greek culture. Greek culture is not my Black culture.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. This is why I did not want to talk about this.
I mean, it's really good to have this conversation because it's the truth. That's a disconnect.
I just hope that like you know how they kind of like induct celebrities into a school.
Don't do that.
Even that, I don't fuck with that neither.
that's-
You don't, I like that shit.
You
To
don't
the
get a
schools,
doctorate.
what?
You ain't go through half the shit I went through to get this bachelor's. How the fuck you get a
I
doctorate?
feel you, but I feel like there's certain people like
Money
artists
can buy
that
anything, bro. This
niggas-
there's artists that I feel like could be inducted into like a Greek culture if they out here strolling and doing all that shit to the. It would be cool. Why
So you
not?
think they should make Boosie an honorary Kappa?
Yes, that would be dope.
That is a big stretch. He does not. I don't think he
How is
qualifies.
that a big stretch?
No, I don't think he qualifies
Y'all saw
for
his
the
freaking-
thing that.
his shimmy like this, though.
I just feel like he probably don't meet all the requirements that they do. He's not gonna really.
Boosie's probably even never been to college unless it was to.
Nah, so there's a lot of people that they honor with a doctorate that never been to school.
Again, I don't agree.
Nah, I think it would be fire, especially if he plans on giving back to the to Kappas and shit
If
like
he
that.
gives back, he'll just be like a founder or something.
I'm making
I
a
don't know.
petition.
I would-
We about to make Boosie a fucking Kappa.
Wow. That's
I think he should go through the